Well, I got a package in the mail today I've been waiting for, and I went ahead and opened it. I wanted to open it on the video, but I decided to go ahead and open it. And it is, drum roll please, the Boss Katana mini amplifier for my guitar. Little practice one, and I was actually going to buy another brand, and I canceled the order from Guitar Center and ordered this one. I went on YouTube and researched it, and boy, I was impressed by what I saw and heard and what the people said that had purchased it before. So it just came in the mail a few moments ago, or I guess UPS, and this is the box and shows different controls on the top of the box. And let me see. Katana Mini, a multi-stage analog gain circuit. I like that, it's analog. Cabinet voiced phones record out, battery powered. You can use 6 batteries, or you can get an optional power adapter for that. Let's turn it back here. It's got serious rock sound, brown via analog gain circuit with DNA inherited from the Waza amp, W-A-Z-A. And let's see, turn it right here. Just another diagram of it, front and back. And let's go ahead and open it. Outside here on the deck. Wow, it does. I was wondering, they provide the batteries for it. Wow, I'm glad. I had some just in case. Purchase some, but I'll go ahead and open this. Let's see. I got looks like an owner's manual. And a package, and you can register, I guess, get started. I don't know what that exactly is. Anyway, so take off the styrofoam ends. Try to do this with one hand while holding the phone. Let's see. Set the thing down a second. Probably more. Let's see. Wow. It's a little bigger than I thought, even though they said it was mini. It's supposed to weigh about 2 pounds. Here it is. The Boss. Let's see, input, there it is, all the controls. Let's look at the back, see what inputs we have. And a line out. It's for a power adapter, I imagine. Cabinet. Voiced phones record out. Auxiliary in. Well, sorry about such a rough video, but I just wanted to show this today since I just got it. And next video I'll demo it. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'm excited to get this, and thanks to all those out there who posted videos about it, or I may not even have gotten this great item. Talk to you later. Bye.